ELBA Food Processor is easy to assemble and harness with a double secure safety lock for easy family-friendly usage. The powerful 800-watt motor comes with 2-speed settings and a pulse function, designed entirely to cater for any blending and chopping needs. Its extra-large feeding tube paired with its sizable 2.4 liters capacity means that this processor is perfect for big family meals. And it's more than just blending. Our processor can whisk, chop, shred, slice, and even knead, all in one. Need a quick snack for a busy day? Try using our food processor unconventionally as a juicer, a quick and healthy alternative that'll keep you going for longer. For further versatility, this processor comes with multiple accessories, including a processor bowl, blender jar, stainless steel disc, kneading blade, whisking blade, as well as chopping blade. It allows you to prepare your ingredients quickly and easily. Rediscover cooking with ELBA.